Hi friends, welcome back to Tiffin Tales. Today we are going to make spaghetti aglio with mushrooms. It might sound complicated, but it's a really simple recipe and uses ingredients right from your pantry. Let's get started. We'll need spaghetti, 1 pack of button mushrooms, 1 tablespoon of butter, 5 or 6 cloves of garlic, about half a teaspoon of chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs, salt to taste, some Parmesan, and of course some olive oil. Okay, the first step, we'll boil some water. Once the water comes to a good boil, we'll add salt. The water should be really salty. Now in goes the spaghetti. We'll leave it to simmer till it becomes al dente. While the pasta is cooking, let's chop our mushroom and garlic. The spaghetti will take 10 to 15 minutes to cook. Meanwhile, let's make a sauce. In a pan, we'll first put some olive oil and butter. Now we'll put the garlic we'll add mushroom the mushroom has softened. Now time to add our spices. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of chilli flakes. You can adjust according to your taste. In goes 1 spoon of mixed herbs, a little bit of salt, my spaghetti is now done. We'll add it to the pan. We'll reserve the pasta water. It has lots of starch in it. We'll use it to give a nice texture to our pasta. This is done. Time to add a Parmesan. A spaghetti aglio with mushrooms is ready. Can't wait to try it. Let's dig in. Please like and subscribe my channel Tiffin Tales.